Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use unused data with Airtel. Understanding data rollover is key to maximizing your plan benefits. We will cover options for both postpaid and prepaid users, ensuring you know the specific ways to carry forward your data. This helps you avoid losing valuable data you've paid for. For Airtel postpaid customers, using yesterday's or last month's unused data is straightforward. Your remaining monthly data automatically carries forward to the next billing cycle. There's no need to activate anything. It's a built-in benefit. You can accumulate a significant amount, up to 200 gigabytes, ensuring your data doesn't go to waste. Simply check your balance in the Airtel Thanks app. Prepaid users have a unique option with the Weekend Data Rollover Pack. This add-on, often priced at 59 rupees, lets you save unused daily data from Monday through Friday. You can then utilize this accumulated data on Saturday and Sunday. Remember, any remaining rollover data from the weekend will expire at midnight on Sunday, so plan your usage accordingly. It's important to note that, for most standard prepaid daily data plans, unused data from one day typically expires at midnight. This means yesterday's data is usually lost unless you have the specific weekend rollover add-on. Always review your plan's terms and conditions to understand its data rollover features and avoid any surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.